Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Maulana Ahmad Jibril Indi. You can call me Indi. I am from Senior High School A Kediri. By the way, have you ever heard about the story of the little turtles who want to follow his dream? Are you curious? Yes, today I would like to tell you about the story of the little turtle's big adventure. Wow, let's start it. Once upon a time, in a quiet bay by the ocean, lived a little turtle named Timmy. Timmy was always curious about the world beyond his home. He would often watch seagulls soar high above, wondering what it felt like to explore the vast sea. One sunny morning, as Timmy basked in the warm sun on a smooth rock, he saw a group of older turtles getting ready to embark on a journey across the ocean. They were going to a distant island. They were told the sea grass was greener and the water clearer. Timmy greeted them. "Hey, where will you go?" And one of them said, "We want to make an adventure across the ocean." Timmy felt a surge of excitement and decided to join them, even though he was much smaller than the others. He asked to his father, "Father, allow me to join them across the other." Father answered, "It's dangerous, baby. There are many obstacles to overcome." His family was worried, but Timmy's determination was unshakable. The journey was filled with challenges. Stormy waves tossed them around and strong currents pushed them off course. Timmy struggles to keep up with the older turtles, who urged him to go back. "Timmy, they are very tough challenges. Please go home." But he would not give up. During the adventures, they encountered schools of colorful fish and playful dolphins. Timmy was amazed by the beauty of the underwater world. "Wow, it's a great view here, so amazing." He even helped a lost fish find its way back to its family. Finally, after many days, they reached the distant island. Timmy was fine, proud he had made it. The sea grass, the wind greener, and the water clearer, just as the other turtles had heard. As they enjoyed their new home, Timmy realized that very challenge he faced had made him stronger and many capable. He had learned that determination and a sense of wonder could take him on incredible adventures. Yes, the end. Wow, how excited is not it? Can you draw moral value from Timmy's story? Yes, the moral value of Timmy's story is that no matter how small or young you are, if you have the courage to follow your dream and the determination to overcome obstacles, you can achieve great things. Just like Timmy, embrace new experience and never stop exploring the world around you. Yes, I think that's all. Thanks for your attention and see you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.